green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, half chopped onion, boiled CHANE ki dal, half kilogram meat. Let's cook. Add oil. Add half chopped onion. Mix it a little. Now let it cook until onion get dark brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Let it cook a little. Now add mixed spices shown in the beginning. Now add a glass of water. Add meat. Mix it well. Now add 20 black pepper and 1 black cardamom. Let it cook for half an hour. Mix it well. Add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it a little. Let it cook for another 15 minutes. Mix it well. Now add a glass of water. Add boiled CHANE ki dal. Mix it a little. Add 7 green chilies and mint leaves. Now let it cook for 15 minutes. 6 tablespoon ghee. 1/4 chopped onion. Add ghee. Now let it boil. Add chopped onion. Now let it cook until onion get dark brown. Add tadka in prepared dal. Let it rest for a while. Your delicious CHANE ki Daal Gosht is ready. Mix it a little and then dish out. Now sprinkle garam masala to add some spice.